Hello, it's Jeanette J Beauty and welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. And if you've been a loyal supporter of mine, thank you so much. You let me know when you get the notifications to my videos. Also, you tell me that my videos are really helping you, whether I'm giving tips or a tutorial from wash day, perm right out, flexi right out, braid out, the fun styles. You let me know and it means so much to me. Currently, it is midnight, so it is 12 on the dot. Now it's 12:01 and I'm really dedicated to making new content for you. I just love it when you tell me that my videos have helped you, because it definitely gives me the motivation to continue making these videos week after week. I love it. I'm dedicated to you, and just let me know what other types of videos that you like to see and I'll make sure that I do it. So today I will be reviewing the new Olaplex number 4 and 5, the shampoo and conditioner. So it is a bond maintenance shampoo and conditioner to help repair, strengthen, and hydrate all hair types. I really love the Olaplex number 3 I have here. I bought all 3 of these products from Sephora just because I really love the Olaplex number 3 and how it made my hair feel, how my hair thrived after it. It just made my hair feel so healthy, and back then I did have the blonde ends, so it really helped with the blonde ends and my natural hair as well. So I have cut the blonde ends off, so I really want to see how it just maintains and just overall gives me that nice healthy hair to my natural hair. And I know I did do a detox of the products I did have on my shelf, and I did get rid of the Olaplex just because going to the Think Dirty app, it was listed as a number 8, and that was because of the fragrance, the perfume. They deemed it maybe questionable, so that's why it was a number 8. But my safe zone is a number 5, and looking at all the ingredients up to the number 8 was a 5. So I feel pretty comfortable. I mean, use these products, any products you put on your hair, on your body, you consume at your own discretion. Just know that what you're putting on your body, if you feel comfortable, then that's all it is. And I feel comfortable putting this in my hair. I really love the Olaplex number 3. I also did a video on it because it made my hair feel so good. My hair looks so good and so healthy, and my hair really thrived after using the number 3, the treatment in my hair. So I am pretty sure that the number 4 and number 5 are gonna do the same. I did look at the reviews on Sephora and they were all, well, pretty much, they were very positive, and I just want to try it. I know someone, they did use the new shampoo and conditioner and they loved it. Their hair looks so good, and I was like, what did you put in your hair? Your hair looks really good. And they told me that they use the number 4 and number 5 from Olaplex. So I want to use it. I have to use it. I have nothing but great expectations for these 2 products. And without further ado, I don't want this video to be too long. Let's just get right into it. So to get started, I'm going to be sectioning my hair into quadrants as I always do. This just really helps me to stay nice and focused, and also to help manage my hair a lot better. I am going to be applying the Olaplex treatment in my hair before I shampoo it, and I really like this treatment because it has my hair looking so good, and it's a concentrated treatment that's going to help strengthen your hair from within, and it's also made to reduce breakage and improve the look and feel of your hair. So to get started, it says to apply on towel damp hair, but I do not use a towel to take any excess moisture out of my hair. It's gonna cause friction, so towels are a no-no. But what I have learned, if I just mist my hair with some water and then apply the Olaplex number 3 to my hair that way, it just works so good for me, and that's what I'm gonna continue to do. And my hair is growing out pretty well. So I will be taking a little bit of the Olaplex at a time and then just working it in my hair very well. The directions say to apply on damp towel dried hair, and for those that know me know that I do not use a towel because it will cause friction. So if I do need to take any excess moisture out of my hair, I will use a cotton t-shirt, but I do apply a generous amount from my scalp to the ends as directed and work through my hair until it's fully saturated. This Olaplex number 3, it feels like you're applying conditioner to your hair. It is very dense, and I really love dense products because it really penetrates to my hair strands as I need it, and I can really feel that the treatment is working. And after I work the treatment in my hair very well, I am going to twist it, and I find that twisting my hair really allows for any product to really penetrate and seep down into my hair strands and do what it needs to do. Whether it's treatments like these or if I'm pre-pulling my hair strands really have the time to drink the treatment up. So I'm going to continue to do this on the rest of my hair, and you'll see my process. And look at these juicy twists. And this treatment has my curls popping. Olaplex did not come to play. My hair is very receptive to this treatment, so I think I'll do it about 1 to 2 times a month. And after I have applied the treatment to all of my hair, I am going to let it sit for 15 minutes. The directions say to leave it on for a minimum of 10 minutes, and you can leave it on longer if you'd like. My twists are still looking juicy, and I just love the way this treatment makes my hair look and feel. I am going to unravel the twist to prepare my hair for the shampoo. My hair feels so soft and it looks so healthy and it has the nice sheen. I'm just so excited that I decided to use the Olaplex again because I really do like this treatment. It really works well in my hair. My hair is very receptive to it and it just really helps strengthen my hair overall. So I am going to rinse this treatment out and then I'm going to shampoo my hair. When I poured the shampoo in my hands, it felt so good. It was very creamy, and then when I applied the shampoo on my roots, oh my gosh, let me tell you, it felt so good. It felt like I was applying an oil shampoo. Now I know that may not make sense, but this shampoo is very hydrating and my hair did not feel stripped. I felt comfortable enough to apply the shampoo on the length of my hair, and knowing that the Olaplex is not going to let me down, and it didn't. This shampoo is very good. My hair felt hydrated and restored and strong. It didn't feel mushy or didn't feel like it was compromised of its moisture. This shampoo is definitely good. I loved working it in my hair. Through the length of my hair, it felt so good from root to tip. And here's how my hair looks without any product on it before I apply the shampoo. And I like to take my hair in one big section and just to make sure that the shampoo is worked on all of my hair, and then I will rinse the shampoo out thoroughly. After rinsing the shampoo out, my hair felt so good. It was soft, it was hydrated, my hair didn't feel clarified, you know, that squeaky clean feeling like it stripped of its moisture. It felt very nice and balanced. Now I'm going to be applying the conditioner, and I find that applying conditioner to soaking wet hair is best for me because it just allows the conditioner to glide on my hair. Initially, when I was trying to get the conditioner out of the bottle, nothing really was coming out. I think because the conditioner is really thick, so I just took the top off and squeezed the bottle. The conditioner came out, and I applied a good amount, but not so much as I normally do because this conditioner is very dense, and I've already mentioned it. I love dense products. It really helps to penetrate my hair thoroughly. I have thick curly hair, and I really need all the moisture, hydration, nutrients that I can get. Now the shampoo and conditioner both hold 8.5 ounces of product in them, and I was thinking that this is not going to be enough conditioner for me because you know us naturals, we love conditioner. Our hair really needs all the moisture that we can get, so I was thinking that this is not going to be enough conditioner for me, that I'm going to use like half of the bottle, maybe even more. But to my surprise, I did not have to use that much conditioner in order for my hair to feel nice and smooth. You know that feeling that you know you had enough conditioner where your hair drinks it? Like, look at this juicy curl. You know that meme where it reads, "And natural girls be like dime size," and it is so much product in the person's hand? That's how I normally am with products, especially conditioner and deep conditioner. But with this Olaplex conditioner, you only need this much conditioner for a whole quadrant. I was like, this is too good to be true if I'm applying a little bit and it's really penetrating through my hair. So I tested it on a quadrant and not dividing my hair as I normally do. And look, this whole section is covered and my hair is drinking it up. So I know this conditioner is definitely a win for me. And after I've applied the conditioner to all of my hair, I'm going to rinse it out, of course, and my hair felt really good. I can really tell the difference between the shampoo and the conditioner. This conditioner is very nourishing. I didn't need a lot. My hair feels soft. It feels smooth. It feels so good. And I'm going to rinse it out and just prepare my hair for the deep conditioner. I mean, I felt like I didn't need any deep conditioner, but every wash day I do a treatment, shampoo, condition, and deep condition my hair. I mean, my hair felt so good, but I had to keep it up. The momentum is crucial. My hair felt so good after using the Olaplex number 3, 4, and 5. I did want to show you how much product I use from the Olaplex line because Olaplex is not cheap. For the number 3 treatment, I used about half of the bottle. For the shampoo, I used very little. This shampoo went such a long way. And for the conditioner, I used about 1/4 of the bottle, which I am very surprised. Overall, I'm very happy with the Olaplex products and I will highly recommend them.